Good morning, students. Class 7, English Reader, Chapter 6, School Rules and Consequences. Look at the picture. Why are the athletes not starting the race in a straight line? Why is the runner in the innermost lane starting the race so far behind the runner in the outermost lane? You can have a look. They are not standing in a straight line. This is called a staggered start. That means unsteady. What factors are considered to decide this staggering? Is that fair to the other runners? The school Bal Sansad was in progress. Bal Sansad means a group of students, leaders who discuss issues related to school. So here, the school Bal Sansad was in progress. That means they were having discussion. The student speaker, that means the main speaker, rose to her feet. She stood there. Let us begin this session. That means they were you can say gathered to have a discussion about certain issues related to school. Please stand in silence for 1 minute in memory of Kawal, the dog that had been a part of our school for as long as we remember. We will all remember her with love and kindness. That means before starting the session of the discussion, the speaker said that we should all stand up in silence for 1 minute to remember Kawal, the dog who was a part of their school, and now she is no more. After a minute, she seated herself. The other members of the cabinet and the opposition followed her example. That means they also seated. Cabinet means the people who are advisors to the speaker, and opposition means the parliament members who are not in the cabinet. That means they are not in the group of the discussion. She started the meeting with a summary. We have 4 matters to consider today. Any follow-up from the last meeting? Now she's asking that today we have to discuss over 4 matters. Is there anything we have to discuss about the previous meeting? The sports minister said. Now the sports minister is standing and saying, the issue of kits not being available to girls has been resolved. That means there was an issue that kits are not easily available to the girls, but that issue has been resolved. The girls will take turns with the equipment according to a schedule drawn up by Miss Jessie. That means these are the issues which have been discussed previously, and the speaker is taking the follow. So the sports minister is saying that the kits are now available. The girls will take turns with the equipment according to a schedule drawn up by Miss Jessie. Mr. Singh will continue to oversee the boys personally. He says he doesn't trust the boys to put the kits back properly. That means after the practice is over, Mr. Singh will take care of the boys, not believing that they would place the kits properly in their original places. Good, that issue got resolved, said the speaker, over gales of laughter. Gales of laughter means जोर से हंसना, mostly from the boys themselves. The Minister of Health was up next. Now, next we have the Minister of Health giving up the follow. A note regarding the I Keep My School Clean program. The film we saw about schools, that means there is a program naming I Keep My School Clean. Related to that, they saw a film about schools in Japan that was very inspiring and gave them some ideas. Like in Japanese schools, we should pick up all the bits of paper and mess lying around in our classrooms 3 times a day and upend the chairs on our desk before we leave in the evening. That means the Minister of Health here is saying that as we have saw the movie, we are inspired and we have certain ideas that before leaving the classrooms in the evening, we should clean the classroom and upend the chairs. Upend means keeping them on the desk. Turn upside down. Okay. So we will also do before leaving the class in the evening. Once a month, we should also clear the grounds of stones. That means in the grounds, if we find some extra stones, we can clear them once in a week. This is our living space and we must keep it clean like we do our homes. That's a good thing, that as we are keeping our home clean, we should also take care of our school, even that is your property. The speaker said, some are against this proposal. Now, after this taking the follow-up of these 2 ministers, the speaker is saying, some are against this proposal. Which proposal? Cleaning of the classroom and school, arguing that it is the cleaning staff work, यानी ये जो काम है वो cleaning staff का है, that it is humiliating to do the work of peons. The students find that it is quite humiliating because it is the work of peons and sweepers. Nonsense. This only emphasizes the idea of dignity of labor. The support for it has been very great. We will put this plan into action next week as per schedule. The House agree. That means finally everybody, House means that means the Parliament, where all the members, the Students' Parliament, as you can see the meaning given here, they all have decided that we will carry on this because it's a great idea. The Minister of Health continued. The second complaint is about drinking water. The water coolers are too few and far apart, यानी बहुत कम है और दूर दूर हैं. Students do not have enough time between classes to get water. There is too much of a rush. This is not healthy, especially during these you can say summer months when we are likely to get very thirsty. यानी समर में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है पानी की. Carrying enough water for the school hours is unreasonable and impractical. That means अगर बच्चों से कहा जाए कि आपको पूरे दिन के अकॉर्डिंग पानी अपने घर से लाना है तो it is not practical. We are working on getting more water coolers in place, but the cost of installing them is very high. That means जो स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल जो कैबिनेट है और जो उसमें हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं वो ये प्लान कर रहे हैं कि वी विल परचेज सम वाटर कूलर्स, बट उसका बजट बहुत हाई आ रहा है. सो व्हाट दे हैव टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ प्रेजेंटेशन टू द PTA ऑन Friday. PTA means the Parent Teacher Association, where parents and teachers both are members and they will think over the budget because they have to invest. The speaker moved on. I am not sure which ministry should take up the next question, so I have turned it over to Home Ministry. Now the next question, whatever is to be put, speaker is not sure that in which category she should place it, so she said it's turned over to Home Ministry. Today we'll end up here only. You read the chapter. If you have any queries, let me know in the feedback. Further, we'll carry on the chapter in our next video. Till then, for any of the queries, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.